Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tell you how you can tour the USS Nimitz. Now, the USS Nimitz and its battle group, they are in Jamaica. And the Nimitz, the aircraft carrier, the flagship of the group, it's docked at the Kingston Harbor and they are offering tours for the ship. So we are going to tell you how you can go about getting a tour. The USS Nimitz is in Jamaica from June 1 to 5th, 2026, and some tours are being organized for government officials, members of the Jamaica Defense Force, university students, and invited guests. If you want to tour the ship, check announcements from the US Embassy in Jamaica for public visitation opportunities. Also, you can follow updates from the JIS and major Jamaican media outlets for registration details or open house announcements. And third, you can contact the Port Authority of Jamaica or the Caribbean Maritime University for permission to tour the ship. All right, guys, let us know what you think, and do you want to tour the ship? Now, the ship is at the port of Kingston. So if you go on the port for any business, you can also see the ship. But if you want to go on board the ship, you would have to go through one of the entities that we mentioned earlier. All right, guys, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.